Hey, what's going on, guys? What is your favorite Bitcoin spot ETF? I think mine is IBIT. It's priced pretty nicely, $58. It's like a sweet spot, almost halfway in between $100. To purchase 100 shares of it's going to cost you roughly $5,800. They do offer options now. So let's take a look at that real quick. Guess we can just pull it up on Yahoo Finance here. But if we go to the options tab, zoom out a little bit. So they do sell options, or they do offer options, and they offer weekly options. The volume's really good. So what I'm planning to do is to buy Bitcoin via this spot ETF and sell premium against it. Yeah, it's a very volatile stock. I'm probably gonna get blown away on some of my short strikes sometime, but this is a way that I can buy a fixed asset class, fixed supply of an asset class rather, and create premium from it. So the fee currently is 0.25%. As you can see here, slide it over a little bit. That is going to increase, I believe. So BlackRock will waive a portion of the sponsor's fee for the first 12 months. Okay, so it's actually coming up this upcoming week or so, January 11th. That fee will go from 0.12 to 0.25. So it looks like it was at 0.12, and it's increasing to 0.25%. Scrolling down a little bit here, why IBIT? It enables investors to get exposure to Bitcoin through the convenience of an exchange traded product, helping remove the operational, tax, and custody complexities of holding Bitcoin directly. So a lot of people just hold Bitcoin on their own wallets or like an exchange like Coinbase. But if you want to buy this asset or buy this asset class via the stock market, via an ETF, this is a way you can do that. Looking at here, I want to see where they actually hold the Bitcoin. I believe it's Coinbase. But I don't want to tell you guys wrong on that. So I'll do a search real quick here. Obviously, their holdings is 100% Bitcoin. Looks like they might have some future products, Bitcoin USD or Forex. Yeah, I'm not sure about that. But yeah, let me check real quick. Where does it hold Bitcoin? So it's actually holding Bitcoin. Trying to see where 52 billion assets under management. So that is the biggest one, it looks like. Yeah, so I believe it's Coinbase. If someone knows for sure, I don't want to speak incorrectly on this, but I'm pretty sure that's like, I don't know why I can't see it. Who is the custodian for IBIT ETF? Coinbase. Okay, so there it is. I believe that's what it was, but I didn't want to mistake there. So it looks like, according to BlackRock, Coinbase Prime, IBIT is managed by the world's largest asset manager and leverages a multi-year technology integration developed with Coinbase Prime. So it's managed by BlackRock, but they are connected with Coinbase. So that is that. Let me know what you guys think. Are you guys fans of spot crypto ETFs like this one here? I know they also have Ethereum ones coming out, or they did just come out the latter part of last year as well. Are you a fan of this, or would you rather hold, the asset yourself on your own wallet? I know there's an expense fee, 0.25%. So that is a con for sure, but having the access to, be able to offset those fees via options and stuff like that, I think is definitely a pro. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. Are you a fan of Bitcoin, and are you a fan of these types of investment asset classes such as ETFs in the form of these spot ETFs.